We are going to get this started right now. So here we go, guys. Another double box break. This is 15-16 OPC Platinum Hockey double box break number 3. And here we go. So let me just show these boxes real quick. So we got on this one, this is serial number ending in 7834. And our second one here is ending in 7890. So there we go, guys. Put that one on top, and let's see what we have for teams tonight. So as always, quickly gonna go over this first. So we'll go the order. So we have Oliver and Lola in 1, Kevin Miller in the 2 spot. 3, we have Tom Witter. 4, James. 5, Rodney. 6, Mike. 7, Mike. 8, James. 9, Randy. 10, Randy. 11, Ryan. 12, James. 13, Kevin. 14, Tom. And 15, Rodney. So there we go, guys. Hey, Randy, what's going on? Glad you could catch it live here. So there we go. Just named off the order that you guys took for the spots, for the 15 spots. And I'll put that, I'll just, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and copy paste those now. So there we go, copying those. We'll bring up random. And yeah, by the way, guys, so right after this break, it's good that this one filled up. Going to be breaking this one now. And then everything from the other two and the break of the single box break that we had of 16-17 Premier, everything will be shipped out from all of those tomorrow. So good timing to get another one filled. And here we go. So real quick, okay, there we have it. There is the order, guys, once again on random. Here we go. So Oliver and Lola on top, down to Rodney. So here we go. Once again, guys, good luck, everybody. 3 randoms, and we'll see everyone's team. There we go. 1, 2, and last time here. Good luck, guys. So there we go. Let's randomize 3 times. I'll just go ahead and put this in the live comments. Yep, here we go, guys. So good luck, everyone. So there we go. Just commented that in the live on Facebook. I'll go ahead and get everyone in there now. So here we go. Copy paste. So there we have it. Let me just bold everyone's name here, and we'll read them off. So here we go, guys. So we have, let me just get that out. Perfect. Okay, guys, so here we have it for tonight. We have Tom with the Ducks, James has the Coyotes, Kevin has the Bruins, Mike has the Sabres, Tom has the Flames, Kevin with the Hurricanes, Ryan with the Blackhawks, Randy with the Avalanche, Rodney with the Blue Jackets, Kevin with the Stars, Randy with the Red Wings, Oliver and Lola with the Oilers, James with the Panthers, Rodney with the Kings, James with the Wild, and the Canadians and Predators and Devils. So James with the Wild, Canadians, Predators, Devils, Tom with the Islanders, Mike with the Rangers, Oliver and Lola with the Senators, Randy with the Flyers, Tom with the Penguins, Kevin has the Blues, Ryan has the Sharks, Rodney has the Lightning and Leafs, Mike has the Canucks and Capitals, and Randy with the Jets at the bottom. So there we go, guys. Tonight's teams. I'll put that away for now, and I could bring it up to see any hits if anyone wants. So here we go, guys. Box number 1. Top loaders. Alright, guys, hope everyone's doing well. Thanks again for helping getting another double box filled. And yeah, like I said, guys, so I'm gonna post one more of Platinum 1516. If somehow I could find some more of this, I will get it, but I'll try to get some other 1516 products as well. Possibly some single box breaks of 1516 Black Diamond. That would be pretty cool. So here we go. Starting it off, we have a Max Pacioretty Retro Rainbow for the Canadiens, and a Emile Poirier rookie for the Flames to start it off. All right, and 2 base. Next up. All right. Next up, guys. Sorry, all right, perfect. All right, next up, okay. So 2 base again. We have a Jared McCann rookie for the Canucks, and we have a Taylor Leary, nice one here, Trax rookie for the Flyers. Trax rookie Taylor Lear. And yeah, you know what, guys? Here, I'm just gonna put the I'll put the teams up on the side here, so if anyone wants to check it out while we're breaking here, let me just make it a bit smaller. But if that could be any help, so I'll just keep it open like that. And let me just, all right, cool. So there we go. So we have the teams there, so you guys could check that out while we break. All right, cool. So, all right, next pack here. So base, base, base. And we have for the Washington Capitals, tracks of John Carlson. So yeah, that's a little helpful maybe. So you guys, if anyone forgets their team, it's right there. All right, up next. All right, 2 hits in this pack as well. We have a team logos for the Ducks of Ryan Getzlaf. And we have a rookie for the Ottawa Senators of Shane Prince. Next up, base. We have another team logos for the Toronto Maple Leafs, James Van Riemsdyk. And we have a rookie for the Red Wings, Dylan Larkin. Yeah, just try it out for this time, keeping those teams there on the side. All right. There's a decent one. Do we have a rainbow in here? No. So who has this one? Tom gets this hit here. Superstars die cut for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Sidney Crosby, Superstars die cut. Base, we have for the Detroit Red Wings a rainbow of Jimmy Howard. Jimmy Howard rainbow for the Red Wings. All right. 2 base, we have a Daniel Sprong for the Penguins rookie, and a Carey Price rainbow for the Canadiens. Next up, we have a Patrice Bergeron rainbow for the Bruins. And we have a Brock McGinn rookie for the Hurricanes. Next up, for the Minnesota Wild, rookie of Gustav Olofsson. Rookie for the Wild, and a Linus Ullmark rookie rainbow Rookie rainbow for the Buffalo Sabres. Next up, for the San Jose Sharks, we have a retro of Joe Pavelski. Joe Pavelski retro for the San Jose Sharks. Next up, couple rookies. Oscar Lindberg retro rookie for the Rangers. Retro Lindberg for the Rangers. And we have a Chandler Stevenson rookie for the Capitals. Next up. All right, another nice one there. We had another Kings player, I believe. Okay, so 3 hits in that pack, 1 base. So we have our autograph at the bottom here. So we started off, we have a retro, Jonathan Quick retro for the LA Kings. Retro Jonathan Quick. We have a Matthias Janmark rookie for the Dallas Stars. And our autograph, so it should be 2 autographs in this box. We have a blue rainbow autograph of Marcel Dionne for the Los Angeles Kings. Really nice there. Marcel Dionne, blue rainbow autograph for the Kings. We had another one of these. I don't know if it was if it wasn't Marcel Dionne though, I don't think. Very nice there. So Marcel Dionne, that one going out to Rodney. Blue rainbow autograph. What was it in the last inbox? In the second one, we hit, let me just check real quick. It was a Luc Robitaille for the Kings. So we had a same parallel blue rainbow Luc Robitaille in the first double box break. So that's cool. Yeah, Mike, there you go. You got it. Good memory. I have to double check. So base, we have a Noah Hanifin for the Hurricanes rookie, and a Ronald Kennens retro rookie for the Canucks. Ronald Kennens retro for Vancouver. Looking for a second auto here. And we have 3 base in this one. We have a Pavel Datsyuk retro for the Red Wings. Datsyuk for the Red Wings retro. All right, next up, 2 rookies. We have Zach Fucale for the Canadiens rookie, and we have a nice one here, retro for the Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen for the Colorado Avalanche. Okay, what do we got? All right, thought it might have been a red auto, but still decent. All right, Jacob De La Rose rookie for the Habs. And we have for the New Jersey Devils red prism out of 149, Adam Henrique for the Devils. Next up for the San Jose Sharks, we have Jonas Donskoy rookie for the Sharks. And a white ice out of 199 for the Islanders, Ryan Strome. All right, we should have an autograph in the last pack here. We have another white ice out of 199, Kari Kari Lennon for the Dallas Stars. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. All right, for the Nashville Predators. So 2 base, and we have a Mike McCarron. We have a Mike McCarron rookie for the Canadiens, and we have for the Nashville Predators, this one going to James Klausner. Victor Arvidsson rookie autograph for the Nashville Predators. Okay, guys, there's our first box. 2 autographs, so can't complain there. And here we go. All right, here we go, guys. Box 2. Okay. Starting it off, we have a rookie for the Bruins, Malcolm Subban. And we have a Blue Ice 8/75 Gustav Nyquist for the Red Wings. There we go, for Detroit. All right, some of these are made pretty tough. All right, 2 base. Mike McCarron rookie for the Habs, and a rainbow Matt Duchene for the Colorado Avalanche. Next up, base. We have a Brandon Saad rainbow for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and a Matt Murray rookie for the Penguins. Pittsburgh Penguins. Tom. Next up. All right, there we go. We got one of those at least here. Connor McDavid rookie. Going out to Oliver and Lola. And an Adam Pelech, a rainbow for the New York Islanders. Rainbow rookie. Sorry, I don't know if I said autograph, but rookie for the Islanders. Rainbow Pelech. All right. We have Tyler Seguin for the Stars. Tyler Seguin for the Stars retro. For the Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen rookie, and a Ovechkin retro for the Capitals. Doug Weight retro for the Oilers, and a Andreas Athanasiou rookie for the Red Wings. UC Saros rookie for the Nashville Predators, and a retro rookie of Jacob de la Rose for the Montreal Canadiens. I'll see what we can do here, Mike. Base. Devin Dubnyk retro for the Wild. Devin Dubnyk for Minnesota retro. All right. For the Red Wings, we have a Steve Yzerman retro, and we have a Garrett Sparks rookie for the Leafs. Okay, guys. All right, base. We have for the Devils a Patrick Elias. Red Prism out of 149. And a Nicholas Patan rookie for the Jets. Next up, for the Chicago Blackhawks, we got a white ice rookie, 47 out of 199, Ryan Hartman for the Blackhawks. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. Very, very big hit there. All right. That's cool. I was feeling like we were going to maybe pull a shorter print autograph. So we have Sergei Plotnikov rookie. Sergei Plotnikov rookie for the Penguins. And for the Vancouver Canucks, who has it? So Mike, there you go. It's not an Eichel. Not an Eichel, but a nice short print here. Jake Virtanen for the Canucks. Jake Virtanen gold out of 25. Numbered 1 of 25. Seismic gold. Seismic gold 1 of 25. Jake Virtanen. So that's a very tough pull there for the Seismic golds. And I'll get a gold rookie card, whatever, top loader thing. So there we go. For the Canucks, the McDavid rookie we had pulled was at a 50. I think it was a black ice. Matthias Janmark rookie for the Stars, and a Andrew Hammond retro rainbow for the Ottawa Senators. For the Hurricanes, Noah Hanifin rookie, and a Nikolai Goldobin Trax rookie for the Sharks. Logan Couture Trax for the Sharks. We got a rookie, Zach Fucale rookie for the Canadiens, and a team logo of John Tavares for the Islanders. Base. Jacob de la Rose rookie for the Habs, and a Shane Doan for the Coyotes. Next up, we got a Jonas Donskoy rookie for the Sharks. Jonas Donskoy for the Sharks, and a Superstars die cut of Jamie Benn for the Dallas Stars. Last pack here, guys. Base. 3 base, and we finish it off with, for the San Jose Sharks, a Logan Couture rainbow. So there we have it, guys. Bunch of parallels and hits in this stack for those 2 boxes. And once again, our autographs, pretty cool. Seismic gold of Jake Virtanen, Victor Arvidsson autograph, rookie auto, and a Marcel Dion autograph, blue rainbow for the Kings. So there we have it, guys. Thanks for joining again. I'm going to post another one. I'm going to post number 4 double box break of platinum, and everything from the double box breaks that have happened so far will be shipped out tomorrow for you guys. So there we have it.